Hello and welcome back to my channel. So friends, today I am going to solve MySQL question for class 10 practically. So here the question is given. As you can see, type MySQL query for the following. First question is to create a table sales, and the database name will be your first name. But here just I am trying with XYZ. So you can write your first name. So in place of XYZ you can write your name. Next is you have to create the table. Before that you have to use the database, and for using it you have to write use and your database name. Simply write use and XYZ. I have written, as you can see there. And next you will start writing the code for creating the table. Create table, and table name as it is given in the question, sales. So you have to fill in sales, and then you have to fill the details. As you can see, salesman number, character, that is the data type. Next is size, and then primary key. And remaining whatever data are given there, you can just see this and fill it up. So see the video till the end and you will understand how to create the database and solve other questions related to MySQL which is given in this question paper. So as you can see, this is the last part, and then when you give bracket and close the semicolon, you will get query OK. 0 row affected means your table is created. Now the next question is to insert data in our table. So as you can see here, insert data. So whatever data is there, so the name, whatever is there, so you have to fill in up. You just see the question and I will just solve the question. Just continue watching the video so that how to insert the data, and there are some more questions. So all the questions will be solved in this video. So as you can see, when you close this with semicolon, bracket and semicolon, then you will get query OK. That means your command is correct and you will get the output. So in the same way you have to just write all other data into your table. As I am doing it, I am just changing the name, and then you can just save it, or means you can press enter and you will find that your data is input is done, data is entered. So as you complete your input, you can just type select star mark from sales and you will be able to see all the data input.